asked here to find the area of the shape below. Not worrying too much about units, but we're given this weird looking shape and we're asked, hey, what's the area of this? At the moment, we don't really have a formula. It just says, hey, we can add all these numbers together or multiply all these numbers together. We don't have anything that gives us a really easy, simple way to do this. But what we can do is we can break this down into shapes that we do know how to find the area. So our first step here is going to be break it down. And we're breaking it down into shapes that we know how to solve. So in this case here, there's multiple ways to break it down, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a couple vertical lines here, a couple cuts, and we're going to make this maybe a little bit easier for us to solve. So in this case here, we have a rectangle here that is 2 by 6. So the area of this is going to be length times width. So it's just going to be 2 times 6. So we now need to find the area of each piece. So this one here, 6 times 2, which is 12. So we have that first piece. Now what we need to find out is, okay, what's the dimensions of this one? Because we know that it's 3 this way, so our 3 is our width here, but what's our length? So what we can see here is that, since we have a rectangle here, this one here is 3 by 5. Since it's a rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. So in this case here, this piece is 3, and this piece is 2. So this rectangle here is going to be 3 plus 2, which is 5 by 3. So to find the area, we do 5 times 3, which gives us 15. And that gives us the area of this piece. Now again, we see the length here is 3, the width is 5, so 3 times 5, which is 15. Now we have the area of each piece of our total figure. So once we have each piece, we're going to add all the areas together. 15 plus 15 gives us 30. And then we're taking this 12 here, and we're going to add 30 plus 12, which gives us 42 square units, which is our area of this entire figure.